Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic of influence as an engineering manager. So let's start. Have you ever wondered how the best managers reach expected company goals on time with high people engagement? How they are doing that? Is there any secret? What can I change or extend in my approach to achieve similar results? One of the factors is influence. Influence translates into motivation, execution, and relationships at work. As a leader, you have influence because of your position. You're no longer a solo wolf, but you're relying on others. And you're like it or not, your team's success means your success, not the opposite. In this position, you are facing many challenges that require attention and focus. You probably come from a technical background, and sometimes there are some solutions that come to your mind right away. You can authoritatively decide to do the things the way you think they should be done, but that's usually not the best idea. You may ask why. First of all, it can cause any or small people growth. Second reason is people demotivation. They can say, my words doesn't mean anything, so why should I engage? No engagement is almost equal with not feeling the ownership. In their minds, you will be responsible and accountable for a solution. And the third reason is mistakes. You're a human. In case of error, you will be handling the emergency. It can cause also your burnout because you will have too many things hands-on. As you can see, you need something more than just your technical background and authority to accomplish the goals. You need to take care also about people engagement, feelings, and transparency. To achieve that, influence is necessary. Let's take a look at how influence can help you convince others to your ideas. We'll break this topic into two steps. Firstly, we will dive into the types of influence you can have. Secondly, we will answer with whom you should have relation and how you could use that relation to execute as a manager. So let's focus on that first topic, the types of influence. Influence because of your reputation. People will always have an opinion about you. The way you talk, the way you listen, the way you look, all those things are making the impression on your talkers. Use your attitudes to amplify your reputation. If you are hosting a meeting, ensure that you're prepared and that the agenda is clear. Invite only the necessary people. Control the time of the meeting and make sure you look good. When you're conducting the program, take care of the alignment and transparency for everyone. If someone asks you for an advice or help, find time to answer her questions. Be proactive. Identify and solve real issues of the employees. Search for more clever, faster, or better ways to raise current processes. Back to your supervisor with analysis and plan for improvement. Remember, reputation is not something you can gain overnight. It is something you work for constantly. Influence because of your respect to others. Everyone has a need to be accepted. Everyone has different life experiences. Some people can be more direct in their communication, others will be more emotional. Your job is to make them feel comfortable working with you. The balance between personal care and direct guidance is truly impacting how people will respect and appreciate you. Influence because of the facts. When presenting the concept, it's a good idea to link to external research, articles, or books that describe the solution you're presenting. This shows that you're not relying on your gut feeling, but on engineering practices. An additional benefit of this approach is that you have more examples to confirm that the proposed solution is justified. When you provide the feedback, also rely on facts. This will create a good basis for discussion and reduce unnecessary stress due to incorrect hypotheses. All those things create trust in you and open possibilities to consider your ideas not because of your position, but because of you. Now let's focus on second part. With whom should you develop relationships and how should they look like? Based on the book Harvard Business Review, The Manager's Handbook, it's worth having relationships with your direct reports, your boss, can be director of engineering or a senior manager, your peers, other managers in the same position as you, and stakeholders. Each of this group has different needs, and you should treat them separately to gain influence. So let's start from the first group, the direct reports. This group should be the most important for you. Those people will have a direct impact on your failures and achievements. Plan to spend enough time with each of them to know them better. Set one-to-one meetings to discuss their goals, ideas, and fears. Let them feel that you are here for them and they can come to you with any problems. Remove the blockers to increase their focus. Monitor their progress and praise publicly. Guide them as a coach and use candor wisely. If direct reports will see you as a person that they can trust, it's highly probable you could encourage them to work more engaged on strategic goals. Second group, boss. When you're looking to get a rise, get more resources for your team, or develop a new strategy for the group, you must first and foremost gain the ability to influence your supervisor. He or she is the most important person in your professional life because he or she can open up opportunities for you, help you and your team access useful resources and people, advise you, and fight for your and your team's rights at higher level of the organization. If you want to do this effectively, you need to understand their motivations and hotspots. Think about commonly accepted expectations for your results and adapt to the boss ways of working. Peers. It is also vital to work well with the leaders of the other teams in the organization. This can give you the resources and support you need to get the job done, produce better results, and influence the overall direction of the organization. It can also improve the efficiency of the company as a whole. For example, when you collaborate on a new product instead of duplicating efforts, or when you develop an initiative to standardize a company-wide process. Relationships with other managers can also solve many problems simply by sharing ideas or challenges. Perhaps this person has faced a similar challenge in the past and can share the solution they choose with you. Last group, stakeholders. Talking to stakeholders in language they can understand can earn you respect and make it easier to discuss change. Being open about your work helps build trust. Good relationships with stakeholders can lead to more teamwork, a better understanding of their needs, and a positive work environment. It also provides you with constructive feedback on your programs. Being close to stakeholders can raise your status in the organization. You will be involved in important decisions, which increases your influence. Working well with stakeholders not only improves your current job, but also your career. It demonstrates your leadership and strategic thinking skills, which are important for more senior roles. This could lead to more responsibilities, promotions, and a bigger role in the company. So, in short, managing stakeholders well helps your project success and career growth. To sum it up, learning how to influence others isn't just a skill. It's crucial for being a great leader. By building trust, working together, and understanding everyone's needs, you can tackle any challenge. People will do the work because of you. They will see you as a competent person. They will know that they can trust you and they will be eager to collaborate with you. So embrace the power of influence and see how it boosts your team's success and your own career. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.